Hi, today I'm going to show you a new keyboard that I bought here in Luxembourg, and I was searching for a keyboard for Mac and for PC, and also for other devices like iOS devices or Android. I'm using mainly PC and Apple products. So I came across this keyboard from XtremeMac, and it's in language Swiss French, and because we here in Luxembourg need this keyboard because you have all the accent aigu, accent grave, and all these special signs on this keyboard. Because we also the German umlaut VA and U, because we are using a lot these languages like German, French, and also Luxembourgish, of course. So normally we take this language of keyboard. It's not easy to find sometimes on Amazon and on online platforms. This keyboard I bought it in Luxembourgish supermarket. It's a Luxembourgish mall, and it says here designed in Luxembourg apparently. And yes, you have the following functionalities. It's compatible with iPad Pro 2, Mac OS configuration, and you can switch between 4 connected devices, and here it also says that it is compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows, as I said, and it's a Quartz version. So I'm gonna unbox this. Here we go. I already used my knife to loosen here the seal. That's not easy to do it with one hand. Let's turn it around so you can see it. There we go. Well, it's not an Apple product. You see it by the box, and it's also significantly lighter than the original because it's more plastic than metal. But the keyboard has a good touch to it. Nice feeling here. It comes here. Here you have the 4 buttons where you can switch between the devices. That comes in very handy. And well, you mainly have all the buttons that you have on a normal big keyboard from Apple. This one with the numeric pad. And on the back side you have here, it's Bluetooth, of course. Here you have the battery compartment where you put 2 batteries that come also with the keyboard, 2 AAA batteries. And here you can switch it on off. So it does make a good impression, and I will see how good I can work with it. I'll really keep you updated. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.